Hi loves, it's Cynthia and welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry if I sound kind of weird today. I am getting sick and I also have a sore throat, so that makes me sound a little bit different. So today I have a very exciting video for you guys. I am actually kind of really nervous about it. I have this little cup full of random eyeshadow colors and I'm gonna be pulling out 3 or 4. I think I'm gonna go with 4 and create a look off of the colors that I get off of here. I got this idea from Alyssa Ashley and I will link down her channel below so you guys can go check that out, and full credit to her for this idea. Without further ado, we're gonna go right into the video. Okay, so I got my cup here full of little sticky notes. They're all folded up like this. I'm gonna go ahead and shake the cup. I'm gonna go ahead and just mix them around in there. There are about 18 shades in here, so I'm kind of really nervous. I've also added glitters and shimmers just to make it more interesting. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out 1 right now. Okay. Now, I'm actually really nervous for this. Okay, first shade is brown. Go in for the second. What if I get like crazy color, like blue or something? Second shade is pink. So I got brown and pink. Let's go for a third one. Let's get a good color. Oh no. The third color is dark blue. Look am I gonna create with brown, pink, and blue. We're gonna go in to another one. All right, the last shade that I picked out is taupe. So I'm gonna have to create a look with brown, dark blue, taupe, and pink. Yeah, I don't really have anything in mind right now. I'm gonna go ahead and go grab my shadows and I will be right back. So I have a look envisioned in my head. I think I'm gonna do a cut crease, but if I'm gonna be able to execute it, that is another question. I'm gonna go in with my Naked 2 palette and take Tease, which is this taupey shade right here, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my crease and blend it out. By the way, I have already primed my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape as always. Oh, and by the way, I took my Morphe M513 brush to put that on my eyelids. And then going into my Anastasia Prism palette, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the shade Parallel. I'm gonna go in with the shade Parallel, which is this brown shade right here, and with my Sigma E15 brush, and apply it to my crease just to darken it up. Man, it's nothing. Then I'm just gonna take the Anastasia brush, the one that comes with the Prism palette, and I'm gonna take the fluffier side with no product just to blend that all out. Now to the fun part, the blue and the pink. Actually, I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. Okay, using my Tarte Shape Tape and a small little brush, this is from the Morphe Vegan collection, I'm gonna go ahead and go cut my crease off camera and I will be right back. I went ahead and cut my crease. Yeah, I don't know how this is gonna go, but I'm taking my Morphe I'm taking my Morphe, I can't talk. I'm talking my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna go in with that blue here, and I'm gonna take my Morphe E18 brush, and I think I'm gonna use this on the outer corner, just right here. I am extremely scared. I don't know how much to get this into the pink, but that's gonna be a mission. I'm gonna go ahead and go into my Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Harajuku, which is this pink shade right here, and I'm gonna apply that to basically the rest of the lid and try to blend it in with that blue shade. We'll see how that goes. I'm just gonna take that blue shade again from the Jaclyn Hill palette and try to blend it into the pink. Actually, I'm gonna try to blend it in with my finger because I feel like that's helping a little bit better. I'm actually gonna go off camera to do the other eye and my base, and I will be right back. So I went ahead and finished my base, and the lashes that I'm wearing are the Koko lashes in style Queen Bee as always, and the lipstick that I'm wearing is the Urban Decay Vice lipstick in Naked. Looks like this. And now I'm gonna finish off the rest of the eyes. I think I'm gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill palette and grab the blue shade that I was using and take that onto the lower lash line. And by the way, I'm taking this on my Morphe E18 brush, and then using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, just the fluffy side, I'm gonna go ahead and smoke that out a little bit. This has no product on it, by the way. And I'm gonna do that to the other side. And then I'm gonna take my Clinique High Impact Mascara, and I'm gonna coat my bottom lashes. And then lastly, of course, I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So that is it for the video. I honestly had absolutely no idea what I was gonna create with brown, taupe, blue, and pink. Like, when I pulled those out and I read them, I was like, how? But I ended up creating something that I actually really like. I didn't think the blue would blend in with the pink as well as it did, but I absolutely love the way this look came out. Hope you guys did too. If you guys like this video and want to see more like it, me picking out random colors and then coming up with a look for them, let me know by hitting the like button down below. And before you leave, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification so you get notified every single time I drop a new video and you don't miss one. Ew, there's hairs in my mouth. What are you doing with your life? It's okay, my little baby.